The age of guilt-free rice has dawned. The revolutionary Grains rice cooker automatically removes the sugar out of rice, thereby empowering you to enjoy a healthy, wholesome, and most importantly, guilt-free lifestyle. The staple diet of rice has a very high sugar content, which is now clinically proven to be responsible for a slew of lifestyle-related ailments, including heart disease, obesity, diabetes, premature aging, and many others. The Grains rice cooker cooks rice scientifically the way nature meant it to be cooked, by removing the excess unhealthy sugar content. The ingenious Grains RevoCook technology intelligently enables a profound 4-stage cooking process. ThermoSense provides just the right cooking temperature to gelatinize the rice, thereby releasing the unhealthy RDS, or rapidly digested starch, into the water, yet retaining the vital nutrition and minerals. This is followed by the debond stage, which intuitively holds the gelatinization temperature, compelling most of the RDS to get out of the rice. The RDS is then transsuited and drained away into the starch collection tray. The final step for the remaining rice is to demoisturize it of its excess moisture, making the rice fluffy, healthy, and delicious. The revolutionary Grains rice cooker empowers you to enjoy perfectly cooked rice without the unhealthy sugar that comes with it. The age of guilt-free rice has finally dawned.